Hello guys, so in this video we have a very special guest and she is my mother-in-law and she's visited us from Nepal, and that day we wanted to took some pictures, like portrait type of pictures. But before I took the pictures I also did her makeup, so if you want to see how I did that, then keep on watching. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and thank you for watching. And I really wanted to create a very nice natural looking glowy kind of makeup. So first of all I cleaned her face with micellar water by Garnier, and I also used this Primark serum, which is a C vitamin serum, which is help to brightening her skin. And I also moisturized her face with this diadermine moisturizer. This cream is really helps to plump the skin. First I use this makeuprevolution fast base stick foundation before I put the other foundation top of that. I don't know why, but I always loved doing makeups on others and taking pictures, and I just really put me in the creative mood. I am really enjoying doing this, and that's why I doing this video, because I just love to do this. And then top of that I use this PS My Perfect Color Double Coverage Matte Foundation, which is in the caramel shade. This is a perfect shade for her. This is a very affordable, nice foundation. Gives a very nice dewy, glowy skin. And of course I also highlighted her face with this LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is in the natural shade. And for pictures I think it's very important to highlighting and contouring the face. She was very funny because she always told me do not put too much makeup on her face. And yes, I used a lot of makeup, but this is just for the pictures. This is not for like every day. This contour stick is from also Primark, and yeah, I struggled a lot with this because it was very hard to blending in. In the other side you can see I forget to blending the contour. Oh yeah, sorry for that. And for her eyes, I did use this makeuprevolution Flawless 3 Resurrection palette. I just wanted to highlight her eyelid and that's it. I also filled her eyebrow just a little bit, you know, keeping it very natural. And I use this eyebrow pencil for her eyelid also to like create a very smoky look. For the final result, I use this primer highlighter, which is very beautiful and looks very nice on her skin. So here is some pictures what we took, and honestly very happy with how it turned out. She also did a very good job with posing, and I love the background lighting situation. It's just really looks very interesting. I used the Canon 50mm lens, and I also added the pictures a little bit. So I just did a little bit color correction, and I also did some retouch with the blemishes and stuff like that, but I tried to leave some skin texture also because I think it looks way much better. Okay. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you for the next time. Bye.